Hello, welcome friends in the practical session. Last time we studied practical aspects of sorghum diseases and now we will study the practical aspects on the crops bajra and maize disease. So first disease, that is downy. So how to identify it? Symptom, these are divided into two stages. First one, that is downy mildew or downy stage. In this case, the light green yellow patches develop on the leaves, and exactly on the opposite surface there is a whitish downy fungal growth is seen, that is sporangia and sporangiophore. Then second stage, that is green ear stage. Here there is a complete or partial transformation of ear head takes place into the green or leafy structure. So the disease name is green ear. Similar type of symptoms, these are developed in case of maize crop. The first image, that is of chlorotic patches or strips develop on the leaves, and second one, that is a partial or complete transformation of earhead into the green leafy structure. In some cases leaf shredding is also there in case of downy mildew of maize. Next part, that is the etiology, that is histopathological study. In this case, the mycelium, it is hyaline, non-septate, and sporangiophore. It is a short stout as shown, and which bears sporangia, and these sporangia, they germinate to produce zoospores and oospores as shown. These are brownish thick wall structure, and these are the resistant structure which is produced by the Sclerospora species. Regarding disease cycle, the pathogen, it survives in the soil or seed in the oospores form. So the primary infection takes place from the oospore, then it germinate. It requires relative humidity, that is around 90%, and temperature, that is around 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, and which germinates to develop infection. So it infects the plants. Then secondary infection, it takes place by the sporangia which are produced from the infection, and these are spread by the wind or water. Then from the sporangia, in some cases oospores are developed from the heterothalism method, and the developed zoospores, these are kidney shaped and biflagellate as shown in the diagram. Next disease, that is ergot or sugary disease. Here also symptom divided into two stages. That is first one, honeydew stage. From the infected spikelets, sticky honeydew like secretion it exudates. This is the first stage as shown in the diagram. And second, sclerotial stage. Here infected ovary turns into sclerotial bodies, and these sclerotial bodies, these are nothing but mustard like dark brown and larger than seed. Next part, that is disease cycle. In case of disease cycle, sclerotia which are mixed with the seed or contaminated with the seed, it causes primary infection. In some cases, these sclerotia germinate to develop the conidia, and this infect the plant at panicle stage, then or earhead stage. In some cases, from the sclerotia, perithecium structure, it is a fruiting body, develops which contains acai and paraphysis. Acai, it is a sac-like structure. Singular, it is a ascus which contains ascospores, and these ascospores infect the earhead to develop the symptom. So first stage, that is the honeydew stage, and second one, that is the sclerotial stage. And it requires temperature, that is around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So next crop or next part, that is diseases of maize. So here first one, that is stalk rot. How to identify it? It is identified by yellowing of leaves. Then main symptom, that is rotting of the stalk in the form of brownish soft appearance or water soaked patches, or in some cases brownish discoloration is seen as shown. Then the stalk twists, falls over and produce a fall odor, as shown. Next, in case of etiology, since it is a bacterial disease, the bacteria, it is a slender, gram-negative, rod-shaped. Then it is a motile, which having a several flagella. So it is a peritrichous bacteria, and on the agar plate, it develops a small circular whitish colonies in chain. Then next, that is leaf spot diseases. These are caused or developed by more pathogens, two or more pathogens. First one, that is a grey leaf spot. Then second, that is a Helminthosporium species or Helminthosporium medis. Then another one, that is a Helminthosporium medis. Then third one, that is Physoderma medis, and another one, that is Curvularia species, etc. So let's see in detail. So in the case of grey leaf spot, there is a Cercospora. Initially small spot, brownish, and these are encircled by yellow radiance or yellow halo, and at later stages the spot turns greyish due to presence or production of conidia or spores, and in the last or third stage, as shown, it develops the rectangular patches or rectangular spots. So next, that is etiology. Here the conidia, these are needle shaped and colorless, having cross walls or septa. Next, that is in case of leaf spot caused by Curvularia, similar round to oval spots are formed. Then in case of Physoderma medis, oval spots, they later turn into light green. Then finally the brown center, and latter stage, the center, it turns straw colored and surrounded by a brown margin as shown in the diagram. So at the end of the session, we discussed the identification and histopathological studies of diseases of bajra and maize. Thanks for listening.